We have complete range of zippers, like nylon zipper, resin zipper, metal zipper, and thousands of different sliders. Each one offers unique features to meet your specific needs. Nylon zipper, we have two types, open end and closed end. It has durability and precision. Whether it's apparel, luggage, or accessories, the nylon zipper ensures smooth functionality and long-lasting performance. Invisible zipper is one kind of nylon zipper. It has two types of tape, lace tape and fabric tape. Invisible zipper is the preferred choice for formal wear, evening gowns, and delicate fabrics. Its inconspicuous nature allows it to blend seamlessly into the fabric. Next, let's explore the resin zipper. We have normal teeth and different shapes of the teeth. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this zipper combines strength and flexibility. It is an excellent choice for outdoor gear, sportswear, and heavy-duty applications. Finally, we have the metal zipper. Metal teeth can be made of many materials, such as brass, aluminum, nickel, and etc. It has unparalleled strength and classic aesthetic. Zipper is perfect for premium leather goods, handbags, and industrial equipment. We have various types of zipper slider. Each slider style is seamlessly integrating with various zipper types.